The students, here I am going to discuss regarding non-terminating decimal. In the previous class, you already know about the terminating decimal number. Okay, the opposite of terminating decimal number is non-terminating decimal number. Okay, so what is terminating decimal number? Again, may I recall you, the decimal whose decimal part contain finite number of digits is called a terminating decimal number. Okay, you already know. So here, non-terminating decimal is the definition is that the decimal whose decimal part contain infinite number of digits is called a non-terminating decimal number. Infinite number of digits. Okay, you see, the decimal whose decimal part contains infinite number of digits is called a non-terminating decimal number. Infinite number of digits means we cannot count that how many digits in the decimal part are. For example, suppose 1 by 3. You divide a fraction 1 by 3. You see, understand, put the decimal point. Then 1 divided by 3 by putting the decimal point and put 0. The number is 10. 3 3 is 9. Again the remainder is 1. Put 0. Okay, the same remainder will be 10. 3 3 is 9. Again the remainder 1. Okay, and you will see in every process. Okay, and by putting the number, the same remainder coming, the remainder is coming 1, and you can proceed the division by putting 0, and in every case you will find the quotient is always 3. 0.3, what is the next digit? 3, then 3, what is the next digit? 3, it will continue. So here you cannot say how many digits in the decimal part. Infinite number of digits. Dot dot means the decimal part contain infinite number of digits. 0.333 dot dot dot. It means it is the decimal part contains infinite number of digits. And how many digits in the decimal part you cannot say. The decimal part contain infinite number of digits. So such kind of decimal is called non-terminating decimal. So 0.333 dot dot is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, because the decimal part has infinite number of digits. Okay, see, since the decimal part has infinite number of digits, so 0.333 dot dot is a non-terminating decimal number. Understand? And another thing you see, a process of division, you will see, if you are dividing 1 by 3, the remainder cannot be 0. The remainder is always 1. It is never 0. Whatever quotient you put, okay, the remainder is never 0, cannot be 0. So, if the remainder of a fraction during the process of division is never 0 also, such kind of decimal is also called non-terminating decimal, the opposite of terminating decimal. Okay, so in terminating decimal, what remainder is always 0, can be 0, always is 0 by process of division. But in non-terminating decimal, remainder is cannot be 0, never 0. Okay, you see. You see now, the remainder of the fraction is never 0. If the denominator of a fraction is either, another thing also see. All of you know, in terminating decimal what? If the denominator of a fraction is either prime factor 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5, then it is a terminating decimal number. It is saying if the denominator is of the fraction is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n means the denominators has only the factor 2 and 5. Okay, so they are called terminating decimal number. But here you see more example of terminating decimal number. It is written, see, 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. 1 by 8, 37 by 16, 3 by 5, 23 by 25, 49 by 20. 20 means the prime factor what? 2 and 5, 2 into 5. 39 by 500. The denominator having the factor what? 2 and 5. 3 divided by 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means 10 means 2 into 5. So the prime factor 2 and 5. 127 divided by 10 to the power 5. 127 to 10 to the power 5 terminating decimal number always discuss. Okay. Yes, sir. But here you see, if the denominator of a fraction has the prime factor other than 2 and 5, other than 2 or 5 or 2 and 5, then it is called a non-terminating decimal number. Okay, suppose a fraction is given. By looking the fraction, you can say whether it is a non-terminating or not by looking the denominator. You see in the fraction 1 by 6, which is the prime factor 2 into 3. Okay, so it is saying if the denominator has any factor, prime factor other than 2 means except 2 and 5. Okay, is any other factor, then it is always a non-terminating decimal number. See 1 by 2 into 3. Okay, 3 is a factor in the denominator, so naturally you can see by looking the number, you will see it is a non-terminating decimal number. Understand? Okay, there must not be any prime factor other than 2 and 5. If any prime factors are the factors in the denominator other than 2 and 5 or except 2 and 5, then it is a non-terminating decimal number. By looking the number you can say. Okay, you see 1 by 3 0.333 by dividing 0. You see 1 by 3 0.333 dot it is a, because the prime factor is 3, if you divide it will get 0.333 dot it is a non-terminating decimal number because it contains infinite number of digits. Okay, so you see this number also can be written by another symbolic notation. Another thing, in this non-terminating decimal number, the particular digit is repeated. In the decimal part, you only see the digits are the same digits. 3 is coming, same digit is repeated infinite number of times. So instead of writing 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3333 dot by symbolic notation, you can write 0.3 bar. This sign is known as bar sign. Okay, so under the digits there is a bar sign. Bar sign is given under the digits 3. So it is a 3 bar. 0.3 bar, 3 bar means particular digit 3 is repeated. Okay, okay. Similarly 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is equal to how much? We divide 1 by 6. Then we what? 0.166. You say 6 1 is 6. Remainder 4. 40. 6 6 is 36. 4. 40. Again remainder 6 is 36. The remainder 4 coming. Every case is remainder 4 coming. And by putting 0, the number remainder will be 40. And again the quotient is the same quotient will 6. Here in this decimal form 0.166, only the digit 6 is repeated infinite number of times. Here in the quotient the 6 is repeated, same quotient 6 is coming. Okay, so we can write 1 by 6 is equal to 0.166666 dot dot. Okay, you can write also 0.16 bar. Which digit is repeated? Digit 6 is repeated. That is why we can give a bar sign and the bar. Okay, the digit given under the 6. Okay, so the digit 6 is under the bar sign. The bar sign, only the digit 6 is under the bar sign. That is why the digit 6 is repeated. But 1 is not under the bar sign. That is why digit 1 cannot be repeated. 6 is repeated. You see the division also. Okay, only 6 is repeated. So the digits are repeated, particular digits are repeated, and it is a infinite number of times. The digits in the decimal part has infinite number of digits because of the dot sign. Okay, so it is a non-terminating decimal number. Okay, understand? And also it is also called non-terminating recurring decimal number. Recurring decimal number means what? A non-terminating repeated decimal number. Non-terminating repeated decimal numbers means if the particular digit is repeated, if the digits in the decimal part is repeated infinitely, such kind of decimal is also known as non-terminating recurring or repeated decimal number. Recurring, what is the meaning of recurring? Repeated means particular digit is repeated, then it is called repeated or recurring. Non-terminating repeated or recurring decimal number. Okay, and all the repeated recurring number are non-terminating decimal number. Okay, so it is called non-terminating recurring or repeated decimal number. Remember the definition. If the digits in the decimal part is repeated indefinitely, endlessly, okay, infinite number of times, so such kind of non-terminating decimal is also called non-terminating recurring or repeated decimal number. Okay, and also by looking the number you can say whether it is a non-terminating or not. First of all non-terminating, then it is a repeated decimal number. Okay, see another fraction is 5 upon 12. The 5 upon 12 is the denominator is 12. The prime factors of 12 is what? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. So the prime factor 3 is a factor of 12. In all of you know. So 3 is a prime factor of 12 and it is that. Okay. So 5 upon 12 must be a non-terminating decimal number because 3 has been a factor of the prime of the given number 12 in the denominator. Other than 2. 2 is a factor, but 3, because of the 3 is a factor of 12. So in the denominator, that is why 5 by 12 without dividing you can say it is a non-terminating decimal number. Let us divide 5 divided by 12, decimal point given, okay, and put 0, it will be 50. Then 12 4 is 48. 50 minus 48 2. Put another 0. The number is 20. 12 1 is 12. So 20 minus 12 8. Putting 0, it will be 80. 12 6 is 72. So 80 minus 78. The remainder is coming 8 again. So same we have to put 6. 12 6 is 72. So in every case you will see remainder is 8. Okay. By putting 0, what is the next question? It will be 6. You see which digit is repeated. 0.416666. After 6, what digit coming? 6. Next digit coming 6. Okay, so here in this decimal formation the digit 6 is repeated. That is why it is also called, it is a non-terminating decimal. Since the digits are repeated, it is also called what? Recurring repeated decimal number. Okay, it is also called non-terminating repeated or recurring decimal number. Recurring means repeated, a digit is repeated. Understand? So 5, you see, so the 5 by 12 is equal to 0.416666 is a non-terminating repeated decimal number because the digit 6 is repeated. Okay, and again you see 5 upon 12 is equal to 5 divided by 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. So prime factors what? 2 and 3. Since 3 is a prime factor in the denominator, so we can say 5 by 12 is a non-terminating decimal number, and also before the division you can say, and after division you can also find, you can see also, you can understand, you can observe. Okay, remainder can never be 0 during the process of division while dividing 5 upon 12. And the question, okay, the question contains repeated number of digits, infinite number of digits. So it is a non-terminating decimal number. Since the digit is repeated, it is called what? Non-terminating what? Recurring or repeated decimal number. Okay. See now. This number also we can write. See. You can write also this number is equal to how much? 0.416 bar. Since the digit 6 is repeated, I can write 0.416 bar. Okay, instead of writing in this lengthy way 0.41666 is dot. Okay, in another way you can write 0.416 bar. 6 bar means digit 6 repeated. 666 repeated. So 5 upon 12 is equal to 0.41666 dot, or we can write 0.416 bar. This sign is known as repeated recurring sign. It stands for recurring. Under the recurring sign, okay, the digits under the recurring sign is repeated. It tells whatever digit is coming under the recurring sign, so it will be repeated always. Understand? So it is clear regarding the non-terminating decimal number. Prepare some more example. You can take your own example. Take any number, denominator take a factor other than 2 and 5. Any numerator may be whatever number you take, but denominator you take any number, okay, and there must be a prime factor other than 2 and 5. If any other factor you are taking, and it must be a non-terminating decimal number, and you also divide, you will see, okay, remainder is never 0, and the question contains infinite number of digits, okay, and if the digits are repeated, it is a non-terminating recurring decimal number. If the digits are not repeated, it is called non-terminating non-recurring decimal number. Understand also? Okay. Recurring means particular digits are repeated. If it is not repeated, if the digits are not repeated, different digits will come in the question. So it is called non-recurring decimal number. Non-repeated, non-terminating, non-repeated decimal number. Okay. We'll study later. First of all, we'll study this one. By taking many examples, numbers, you can find out whether number is a non-terminating recurring decimal numbers or not. Okay. Understood? Okay. Thank you.